How to make a parametric curtain in Revit. Let's start. Open the Revit. Open a new family. Select Metric, Generic, Model, Pattern Base. Open. Select the grid. Change the horizontal and vertical spacing to 1000 mm. Next, select reference point, select draw on face, set work plane, set this plane, pick reference point, set work plane, set this plane, pick reference point, set work plane, set this plane, pick reference point, set work plane, set this plane, pick reference point. Cancel the command, select all, go to filter, check none, select reference point, apply, OK. Go to offset, pick the button, create new parameter, type top offset, OK. Go to family types, change the value to 100, apply, OK. Select these two reference point, go to offset, pick the button, create new parameter, type bottom offset, OK. Go to family types, change the bottom offset to 150 mm, apply, OK. Next, select these two reference point, spline through points, check reference line, select these two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Next, select this reference line, divide path, change the number to 10, select this reference line, divide path, change the number to 10, select reference point, pick reference point, then pick, OK. Next, pick here, alternate, pick. Next, select this reference point, then spline through points, check reference line, select this reference line, divide path, change the number to 20, tab, select this reference line, divide path, change the number to 20. Next, select reference point, pick reference point, alternate, pick, OK. Pick here, alternate, pick, next, select this reference point, select all the reference point, Okay. Then spline through points. Check reference line. Next, select these two reference points. Spline through points. Check reference line. Go to other side. Select the two reference points. Spline through points. Check reference line. Select reference point. Pick at midpoint. Then pick at midpoint. Next, reference point. Set work plane. Set the vertical plane. Set. Pick reference point. Okay. Select the reference point. Go to offset. Change the value to 50 millimeter. Then go to other side. Reference point. Set work plane. Set the vertical reference plane. Set. Pick reference point. Okay. Select reference point. Offset. Change it to 50 millimeter. Next, select the circle. Set work plane. Set the vertical plane. Set. Then draw the circle. 20 millimeter radius. Select the circle. Check reference line. Circle. Set work plane. Draw a radius of 10 millimeter. Select the circle. Check reference line. Go to the other side. Orbit. Okay. Next, select the circle. Set work plane. Set the vertical plane. Draw a circle. 20 millimeter radius. Okay, select the circle. Check reference line. Circle. Draw a circle. 10 millimeter radius. Select the circle. Check reference line. Okay. Next, select the spline. Select the other spline. Create a form. Then select the big circle. Rotate the cube. Hold Control and select the big circle. Create a form. Okay, select the form. Solid void. Select the void. Next, select the fine, realistic. Then select the small circle. Rotate the cube. Select the small circle. Create a form. Next, select the grid. Let's change the vertical spacing to 2000 millimeter. Next, select the curtain. Go to material and finishes, create new parameter, name it curtain finish. Okay. select the curtain rod, material and finishes, pick the button, create new parameter, name it rod finish. Okay. Next, go to family types, curtain finish, pick the button, go to material library, select the AEC material, select the fabric, add, right click and rename fabric curtain. Okay, apply, then rod finish, material library, AEC, select metal and select the stainless steel polish, rename stainless steel polish rod. Okay. Next, go to family types. Let's test the parameter. Let's change the bottom offset to 250 and the top offset to 150. Apply. Okay. Go back to 100 and 150. Apply. Okay. Save the family. Go to desktop and name it curtain pattern base. Save. Load into the project. Go to level 1. Let's create the curtain. Go to massing and site. Turn on show mass. Select in place mass. Mass 1. Okay. Select the line. Draw the profile. Select the line. Check reference line. Create a form. Go to 3D. Select the surface. Unlock. Change the height to 2.8 meters. Select the surface. Divide surface. Change the V grid number to 3 and the U grid number to 1. Okay. Next, go to pattern. Select the curtain pattern base. Okay. Check. Finish the mass. Go to level 1. Massing and site. In place mass. Mass 2. Pick lines. Change the offset value to 0.3 meters. Select the center of the wall. Select the lines. Check reference line. Create a form. Go to 3D. Select the surface. Unlock. Select the edge. Go to front elevation. Okay, move the edge. Move the arrow. Okay. Then back to 3D. Select the surface. Divide surface. change the U grid to 1 and the B grid number to 6. Then select the curtain base pattern. Okay. Next, let's turn off the node. Let's go to curtain panel base, edit the family. Okay, zoom, select the path representation, uncheck nodes. Okay, select this path, go to path representation, uncheck nodes. Okay, select the path, uncheck nodes. Okay, rotate the view, select the path representation, uncheck nodes. Okay, save the family. Yes, load into the project. Done. Thank you.